Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So at the shop, just finished up the Chevelle, the 66. I'm just going to tighten up some wires and change a couple of hoses under the hood. But other than that, that thing is about ready to go home. It's kind of fun to drive. It's bone stock, total survivor car. I got in that thing, I put the AC on the second position on the fan, and I was just frosty driving around. It was a good time. But you know what? It reminded me that I had some other stuff to do to my own cars. So my 66 right there, I'm running some old H4s up in the front. I've always run those headlights to hellas. I like the appearance of the flat bulb. This is the same thing. It's a flat bulb. I like the look of that. As opposed to like the ones on the Mercedes right there, the bubble bulb. I mean, it's cool in an old car, but I do prefer the flat bulb. It looks just a little more performance to me. So that's what I put on all my cars. However, having some issues finding good bulbs, like a HID style bulbs, and I hunted high and low, and I actually just installed these on the Mach 1 for Brian, and they went together so nice, they fit so well, they look so good. I had to call my friends over at Holley and tell them, hey, let's talk Retrobright. And they said, okay, let's talk year, make, and model. So I gave them the information, and lo and behold, a few days later, what shows up at the shop? Holley Retrobright high performance LED headlights. If I can open this without dropping it. Hold please. There it is right there. I had a couple of different options. I hope I picked the right one for brightness level. I know that I get behind some cars on the freeway and the bulbs are so over the top. I'm just like, man, I'll give this guy a piece of my mind. And hey, hold please. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good looking bulb right there. Little heat sink to dissipate the heat right there. Some saran wrap, keep my sandwich fresh. And yeah, feels nice. This is a piece of billet, looks like. Anyway, it's the right size, so you know what? It is definitely going in the truck right now. That is a 7-inch bulb. They make a high beam, low beam combo. That's what this is, 3 wires. It's just a plug-in operation too. And then they make one that is, high beam and low beam. Look at this one's already rotated over. That's a halogen H4. It's actually a good looking bulb, but you can see that some of the crispiness is going away there. They don't really last as long as you would think. But in a lighter note, I do beat the heck out of stuff. So I'm going to zip that out. It feels like the spring holds the whole bucket. It also goes through the ring, so that's fine. Yes, sir. So yeah, these were the systems I used to have before. Sort of an H4 replacement with a little cooling fan on the back. But yeah, it didn't work great. Look at that, nice and level. You would think that because the screw is a flathead, it'll be difficult to install, but it leaves you a little bit of extra material on the end of the screw to help it line up. Of course, we're trying to do it by braille, so. All right, installed, nice and level. Let's do that blinker now. So it's an 1157 dual filament. This is their replacement bulb. This is also an 1157 dual filament. Yeah, staggered poles. May have to change the flasher, but I'm not certain. You can put the lid back on. Can we check? Okay. All right. All right, let's handle. Didn't take that long. It's a little warm in the shop today, but I'm telling you right now, I'm happy with the way that worked out. As a matter of fact, let me just shut this door and see how it works. Okay, bulbs installed. You saw how bright they are. They look great. Very simple installation. A lot simpler than all the fighting I went with to put H4s in these other cars. This is just like replacing a stock bulb. Plug right in, work great. Thanks a lot, Holley, making this easy to install. Same with the marker lights, just like swapping out a bulb. You can swap out a bulb. You can definitely put some Holley LED stuff in your car. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment if you have something to say. Thanks a lot. See you later.